All right. Hi, fourth grade families. Everyone say, hi, fourth grade.
Hi, fourth grade.
We are recording our video just to go over a review of how we graph linear coordinates. So today our notes, let me flip to our notes real quick. That was yesterday's notes. Oh no. Linear graphs, right? So first we're gonna create our table of values. Then we create a formula that's gonna help us. But then we plot the points and connect the dots. The hardest part is probably creating our formula just because we have to try things over and over again. But as we've seen in class, it's totally possible, right? Right. You can say right.
Right.
All right. So this says complete the table to show the perimeter P of a square changes if the side S increases in length by 1 unit each time. Okay, that means that you're adding 1 square each time. What do you know about a square? What do you know? I have a hard time drawing this here. Okay, what do you know about a square? Ella.
Square has 4 sides.
It has 4 sides. And what are the sides? Oh, yep, that's good. It has 4 sides. Now, what happens if I add 1 more unit onto there? How many sides would I have if I had 2 squares, Justine?
8. Yeah.
I would have 8 sides in total, but how many are showing on my perimeter? How many are showing on my perimeter, Justine?
2.
Count them with me. 1, 4.
5, 6.
How many? 6 sides are showing, right? What happened to those other 2 sides? Because Justine said there should be 8 sides and 2 squares. But if I'm putting them together, what happened to those 2 sides? Zane?
The 2 sides were.
Are they on my perimeter anymore? No, they're not on my perimeter anymore, right? They're right in the middle. So what happens if I put 3 units together? My goodness, what happens if I put 3 units together? Ruby?
That would be
8, right? Count them with me all together. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. How about if I have 4? I'm not going to draw it, so I can't count it. How many would be there? Knowing a pattern, how many would be there, Gio?
10.
Gio?
10.
10. Nice job. Now, how about a formula? How about a formula? Give me one that you would like to try. Might not be correct, but give me one you'd like to try. Farah?
P equals S plus 3.
You want to try plus 3. That makes sense to me, right? Because here I see 4. 1 plus 3 would be 4. Great thinking. Does that work every single time?
No.
P. All together?
No.
Is 2 plus 3 6?
No.
No, it's not, Farah. I love that you gave me that one because it made sense. And for our viewers at home, I told you to give the wrong answer, huh? Yeah. All right, because we already found the right answer. But what's another one we'd like to try, right? Because when we find a formula, sometimes we just have to try it. P does not equal S plus 3. We know that one did not work. Give me one that you think will work. What do you think? Ariana?
What about 2 times 2 plus 2?
S equals times 2 plus 2. Let's try it. We need to see if it works every single time. 1 times 2 plus 2. So 1 times 2 is?
2.
Plus 2 is?
4.
2 times 2 is?
4.
Plus 2 is?
6.
3 times 2 is?
6.
Plus 2 is?
8.
4 times 2 is?
4.
Plu-
8.
One more time. 4 times 2 is?
8.
Plus 2 is?
10.
Does it work every single time?
Yes.
Yes, it works every single time. So that is correct. That's going to be our formula. What happens when we go to graph it? Here we are. I'm going to rename, because it tells me right here that my x-axis is going to be for my sides. It represents my sides. So this, I can rename it as x because it's going on my x-axis. How about my y? What does my y-axis stand for now? Let me see if I can grab another pen. There's blue. Perfect. What does my y-axis stand for now? Noah?
Why it means going horizontally?
Yes, it does mean, well, it means vertically, right? Horizontally would be my x-axis. Oh, man. Ah, too many pens. Okay. But it stands for what, Eli? My x-axis stands for?
Let me see. I might know, but before. Make sure to hit that sub.
Okay.
The origin.
Okay, that's what I'm going to need to start with, but I'm going to call back on you in just a second. My y-axis, I say excess. Y-axis stands for, Zane?
Y-axis stands for your perimeter.
It stands for my perimeter, so I can rename that y. My ordered pair will be made up of x and y. I could call this one 1, 4. Now, Eli said it a second ago, and sorry for the viewers at home, but we had to really remember what we need to start with. What do we do first? All together?
Start at the origin.
I don't think they heard you. One more time.
Start at the origin.
Oh my goodness, what is the origin? What do we say the origin is? Elena? It is where I start, but what is that point called? Zero, zero, right? Right where these two lines meet. Now, where is my first ordered pair or my coordinate pair? Jocelyn? 1, 4. So I need to do what? Start at the origin. Across. How many? 1. Go across 1 and up 4. And don't forget to put that dot. What do I call this one? Name it. What do I name this one, this point? 1, 4. Then you keep doing that. And what's your last step after you've dotted all the points? You?
Connect.
Okay, you can do it all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Connect the dots.
Good job. Connect the dots. Once you get all of your points lined up on there, you're going to connect those dots. That's going to be the same thing you do here, the same thing you continue to do. All right? Oh, yeah. Everyone say, oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I love math.
I love that.
Yeah, you do. Okay. All right. Everyone say, bye, friends at home.
Bye, friends at home.
It's going to be me later.
So.
Okay. All right. Bye.